Hello everyone, this is your science teacher from Welkin National School. Today we are going to learn subject Environmental Studies from Standard 4th. See the lesson number 20, I will be responsible and sensitive. Here one picture is here, happy birthday picture. It was Deepika's birthday. She had invited all her friends to her house. When her friends came, she put on music at a loud volume and all of them began to dance and have fun. यहाँ पे दीपिका का बर्थडे है और शी इनवाइटेड उसने किसको इनवाइट किया, अपने फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट किया घर पे। और घर पे फ्रेंड्स आने के बाद उसने क्या किया, म्यूज़िक ऑन किया, वो भी वेरी लाउड वॉल्यूम, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम बिगेन टू डांस एंड हैव फन। हमें बर्थडे पार्टी करना या म्यूज़िक लगा के डांस करना, दिस इज़ नॉट अ रॉन्ग, बट हमें वो ध्यान में रखना है हमारी वजह से, हमारे लाउड म्यूज़िक की वजह से हमारे जो नेबर्स है उनको डिस्टर्ब ना हो जाए। Here Deepika did wrong. Now see the next picture. Here her neighbor was an elderly person. He suffered from high blood pressure. He could not tolerate very loud music. उसका नेबर जो है बहुत ओल्ड पर्सन है और ही सफ़र्ड फ्रॉम हाई ब्लड प्रेशर एंड ही कुड नॉट टॉलरेट वेरी लाउड म्यूजिक. Now see the next picture. Here third one. He asked Deepika to turn down the volume. Deepika realized that he was suffering because of the loud music. She turned down the volume at once. जब उसको पता चला दीपिका को कि मेरी वजह से, मेरी वॉल्यूम की वजह से, म्यूज़िक के वॉल्यूम की वजह से मेरे नेबर जो है उनको बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, सफरिंग करना पड़ रहा है, वो सोच के she realized and she turned down the volume at once. Now next is here, he realized his mistake. Here Rahul's grandmother, here Rahul is there and his grandmother. Now let's see. Rahul's grandmother used to wait for him to return from school every day. When he returned, she would give him something to eat. She asked him about what had happened in school that day. As for Rahul, he could not wait to finish eating and watch cartoons on TV. Rahul's grandmother felt very bad that Rahul did not talk to her properly. When Rahul's parents noticed this, they also felt bad about it. One day, Rahul's father explained to him how his behavior hurt his grandmother. Rahul realized his mistake. From then onwards, he began to talk his grandmother lovingly. यहाँ पे जो राहुल है वो अपनी ग्रैंड मदर के साथ कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है, जस्ट सी हियर, दिस इज़ अ वेरी बैड बिहेवियर. हम लोग अगर आप लोग स्कूल से ही रिटर्न आते हैं तो हमारी ग्रैंड मदर जो है हमारे लिए खाना देती है, हमारी केयरिंग करती है, तो उनके साथ हमारे राइट्स है कि हमें उनके साथ टाइम बिताए, राइट. हमारे स्कूल में क्या हुआ है, कैसे आज दिन निकल गया, स्कूल में क्या एंजॉय किया, क्या स्टडीज़ किया, वो सब हमें अपनी ग्रैंड माँ के साथ शेयरिंग करनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे भी ऐसे ही हुआ. राहुल जो स्कूल से आते ही क्या करता था, जो भी दादी ने, ग्रैंड माँ ने जो भी खाना दिया, खा के तुरंत टीवी में कार्टून देखने लगता था. तो ये सब जो ग्रैंड माँ है उनको बहुत हर्ट हो जाता था. इसके लिए राहुल के जो डैडी है, पेरेंट्स है, उन्होंने क्या किया, राहुल को एक्सप्लेन किया कि आपके इस बिहेवियर से आपकी दादी को बहुत हर्ट होता है. तब राहुल रियलाइज़, उसके डैडी ने, पेरेंट्स ने बताने के बाद राहुल को रियलाइज़ हो गया कि उसकी गलती क्या है, और तभी से फ्रॉम देन ऑनवर्ड्स ही बिगेन टू टॉक टू हिज ग्रैंडमदर लविंगली. Discuss both the above incidents in class. Why was Rahul's and Deepika's behavior wrong? How did they correct their mistakes? Are there old people living in your home or neighborhood? What help can you offer to them? Okay, students. We all either live with or are related to old people. They love us and pamper us. However, they cannot run about and play like us. They often need small tasks done for them, like fetching medicine or other products from the market, removing things from lofts, or threading needles. If we carry out these tasks for them, it is of great help to them. If the TV or music is played loudly, it can be very disturbing for them. At such times, we must lower the volume. Grandparents are often at home all day. Their only pastime is talking to their children and grandchildren. They are curious about what their grandchildren do at school all day. They have great affection for us. They feel happy when we speak to them lovingly. Here in this paragraph, we and old people. We either live with old people or are related to them. हम लोग कैसे रहते, कहा किसके साथ रहते हैं? हमारे घर में, हर एक के घर में ओल्ड पीपल्स रहते ही है. ओल्ड पीपल मीन्स दादा दादी नाना नानी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? So they love us. Due to old age, they cannot run about and play like us. They need our help for many chores. वो हम जैसे भाग नहीं सकते, हम जैसे खेल रहे बच्चे जैसे खेलते वैसे वो लोग नहीं खेल सकते, बिकॉज दे आर ओल्ड एज. एंड बट दे नीड अवर हेल्प फॉर मैनी चोर्स. बहुत सारी कामें हैं, उनके वर्क्स हैं, उसमें उनको हमारी ज़रूरत, हमारी हेल्प की ज़रूरत है. We must lower the volume of TV or music as the same is very disturbing for them. The only pastime of grandparents is talking to their children and grandchildren. They feel happy when we speak to them lovingly. उनके साथ grandparents के साथ अगर बच्चे, अगर grandchildren अगर बातें करते हैं, उनके साथ happily रहते हैं तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. They feel happy when we speak to them lovingly. Next one is, can you tell if someone at home or in the neighborhood is suffering from an illness, what should you do? Put a tick in front of the statement you agree with and a cross in front of those you disagree with. First one is, we should visit the patient frequently at any odd hour. Wrong. So put your wrong. Second one is, the patient should be given medicines at the proper times. Yes. So here tick. Third one is, the patient should be offered fried food. Wrong. So cross. The patient should not be given unwanted advice. Yes, right. Should not be given unwanted advice. The patient must be given meals at the right time. Yes. One can watch TV at a loud volume in a patient's room. Wrong. The patient must be bathed only as per the doctor's orders. Yes. When the patient is better, medicine should be stopped immediately without consulting the doctor. Wrong. Now, next one is, we all wish for a patient to get well soon. For this, we should follow the doctor's advice and take care accordingly. After giving first aid for injuries, the patient must be taken straight to a hospital or a primary health center. Do not depend on talismans, amulets, and incantations. Consult a doctor on time. Here, taking care of the patient. How to take care of the patients? To enable a patient to get well soon, we should take care according to the advice of the doctor. The patient must be taken to hospital or a primary health center for treatment after giving first aid for injuries. Do not depend on talismans, amulets, and incantations. Consult a doctor on time. Next one is responsibility towards people with special needs. Some people have physical handicap because of illness or accidents, or they may they may be born with them. They suffer many inconveniences and much discomfort at public places. That's why they are in need of special services and assistance. Here, responsibility towards people with special needs. Handicapped people suffer inconveniences and discomforts in public places. So, they are in need of special service or assistance in public places. Here, do you know we have been successful in eradicating polio in our country. The World Health Organization has praised India for this achievement. Since the campaign against polio was carried out with dedication over many years, the disease was eradicated. What is the phrase do bund jindagi ke related to? Do you know, students, nowadays in many hospitals abroad, robots are used for the service and aid of patients. Will it be fun to have robots work for you, or will it be boring with no other human being present? Try this one. Divide all the students in class into two groups. Blindfold the students in group A but not those in group B. Pair of each student from group A with a student from group B. Each pair will go from the classroom to the main gate of the school. On reaching the gate, remove the blindfold and now blindfold the students from group B. Return to the classroom in the same pairs. What difficulties did you face while walking blindfolded? Could you walk at your normal speed while blindfolded? When not blindfolded, did you wait for your blindfolded classmate or leave them behind? Find out the answer. Do this activity with your friends. Next is, you may have seen a blind person with a white cane walking along the street. Blind people can walk about in public places freely with the help of the white cane. In some buildings, the floor numbers on lifts are written in Braille. That helps a blind person to go to any floor they wish without help. A blind person can also vote secretly like other citizens because of Braille signs on voting machines. In schools, universities and in some other buildings, you may have seen a concrete slope next to the stairs. This slope is called a ramp. The ramp makes it possible for people in wheelchairs to enter the building. Some buildings also have special toilets for people in wheelchairs. These facilities exist so that people with special needs can live their daily lives easily. However, these facilities are not available everywhere. We must treat people with special needs with care, whether these facilities exist in public places or not. Here in this para, special provisions made for the people with special needs. A blind person can easily walk about in public places with the help of a white cane. The floor numbers on the lifts in some buildings are written in Braille. A blind person can vote secretly with the Braille signs on the voting machine. Ramp is built in schools, universities and some public places to make it possible for the person in wheelchairs to enter the building. Special toilets for persons in wheelchairs are provided in some places. Since these facilities are not available in all places, we must treat the person with special needs with care. Now see the next one. Blind people can read and write by using their sense of touch. This system of writing is called Braille. Braille characters make use of raised dots created on paper. Each character has a fixed number and arrangement of dots. A blind person can read the paper by filling these raised dots. However, all the books written in ordinary script are not available in Braille. Blind person can listen to the stories if they are read out. Here, a blind person can read and write using a Braille script. Braille characters are made of raised dots. A blind person can read by filling the raised dots. Try this one, students. Write your name using the Braille characters given below. Tell us your friend's name using the signs in the sign language. Here is a sign languages used in India. Now, people who cannot hear use sign language. They are also taught how to lip read to follow what other people are saying. They can follow other people's speech if they speak slowly and clearly. Special sign news programs are broadcast on television for people who cannot hear. Here, sign language. People who cannot hear use sign language. They are taught how to lip read to follow what other people are saying. Special sign news programs are telecast for these people. So students, being sensitivity is understanding the difficulties. Being sensitive is understanding the difficulties of the people in our family and locality and helping them when they need help. We must treat old people, patient and those with special needs with care and respect. Our capacity to help others increase if we are sensitive. I hope all of you understood this lesson, learned this lesson. Thank you.